What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the OtterBox Defender Series case for the iPhone XS Max, so stick around. Welcome back, and huge shout out to the folks over at OtterBox for sending out this case for review. However, next time please try to make sure it's in English. In terms of the unboxing, we get an excellent presentation from OtterBox with both text and images, getting us more familiar with our protective case. The packaging allows for easy access to the case itself and comes with a little bit of literature as well as some installation instructions. However, I will be doing a step-by-step how to install video very soon, so make sure and check that out if that's something you're interested in watching. The interior portion of the case has a very soft memory foam style cushioning, and for comparative purposes, here's the 5.8-inch iPhone X OtterBox Defender Series case. You can see just how much bigger the case is for the iPhone XS Max. Next, let's go ahead and install the 6.5-inch iPhone XS Max, which is an official dummy unit, into the OtterBox Defender Series case. And to do so, we'll place the iPhone XS Max into the back section of the OtterBox Defender case. After installation, I'd have to say that it's definitely a very nice case, and it feels like it's going to offer great protection. The OtterBox Defender Series case for the iPhone XS Max ships just like last year's iPhone X OtterBox Defender Series case, and that's with no screen protector. Taking a closer look at the bottom of the case, you can see we have a protective flap over the lightning port, and we also have cutouts for both speaker grills. On the right side of the case, our power sleep wake button is protected, and on the left side of the case, our volume up and down buttons and mute switch is also protected. And on the back of the case is a cutout for the Apple logo as well as the dual vertical camera system. This case offers multi-layered defense with a solid inner shell and a soft outer cover. I really like that the port covers keep out dust and debris, and I also like the included belt clip holster that doubles as a kickstand for hands-free multimedia viewing. This case comes in numerous different colors and includes OtterBox's limited lifetime warranty. If you're interested in further information, pricing, and availability, all relevant links will be located down in the video description. I will be doing a full review of this case, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that content. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to drop a like rating down below, and also subscribe to the channel to be notified of future videos. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.